Namaste Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharini Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashataresha Tarini Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Shri Vasadi Gauravakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Hare Hare Bol. Welcome all dear devotees for this wonderful yet another chapter. Though we started Jnana Yoga, correct? Jnana Vijnana Yoga, transcendental knowledge. Hare Krishna. What is the, science, Bhagavad Gita implies three principles, right? The science is based on three principles. What are they? Okay, any science, how do we define science?
Cause and effect and the
Cause and
relation.
effect. Hare
Hare
Bol.
Krishna. Samanda Videya,
Sambandha Abhideya
Prayojana.
Prayojana. That means relation, then Abhideya process, Prayojan
result.
effect. Prayojan is effect, Sambandha is cause. And in between cause and effect, there is a relation. That is Abhideya. That is a process. Okay. So every verse, if you see, either it will imply Sambandha or Abhideya or Prayojana. Okay, so that is here it is knowledge. What is the knowledge? How we can approach the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Okay. So yesterday we saw this knowledge has been given by Krishna in the beginning to Sun God, Vivaswan, and from him to Manu to Ikshavaku. So the first verse in the 4th chapter, Krishna is saying, I'll share the screen also, Hare Krishna, that Bhagavan Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Bhaguni me vititani Janmani tava charjuna Tanyagam Veda Sarvani Natvam Vetha Parantapa. Can anyone read the translation? We will start from alphabetical order. Hare Krishna. Yes. Hare Krishna. Prabhuji, can you read? Arunaksh Chaitanya Das Prabhu, Hare Krishna. Are you there?
Yes, Mataji, Hare Krishna. I'm there.
Yes, Prabhu. Translation.
Bahuni me.
Yeah, read Prabhu, no problem. Bahuni me vyatitani.
Bahuni me vyatitani janmani tava charjuna tani ahaveda sarve sarvadi natva veta parantapa. Many translation and purport with Shilvar many births both you and I have passed. I can remember all of them, but you cannot, O subduer of the enemy.
Hare Krishna. So, Srila Prabhupada refers that beautiful verse of Brahma Samhita. Advaitam Achyutamanadirananta Rupam Adyam Purana Purusham. Purana Purusham. That's he is the first. He was the one who existed before anything else came into existence. And he will be the one who will be existing when everything gets into annihilation. Is it not? So, Adyam Purana Purusham Navayavanam cha. Have you see Krishna always, you see, Krishna is always very, very young looking. Even at the age of, when he was fighting this Kurukshetra war, he had even grandsons. But he will not look beyond 16-20. Is it not? Vedyam, what is it? Adyam Purana Purusham Navayavanam cha. He always look very, very young. Vedeshu Durlabham Adurlabham Atma Bhakto. So here Vedeshu, who has given us the Veda, and Adurlabham, that unperceivable Veda he has given us. Who? Govindam Adipurusham. To that Supreme Personality of Godhead I pay my obeisances. So that means Krishna, Arjuna is not able to understand. He is asking, oh Krishna, you are standing in front of me. How you gave this knowledge to sun god? So Krishna is saying, no, Arjuna, you will not be able to remember me. We are not contemporaries. You were also that time when I gave this knowledge to sun god, but you have forgotten. Krishna does not forget anything, correct? For Krishna, there is no apoham. What is that? Smritir jnanam apohanam cha. Krishna tells, I give the smriti, I give the knowledge, I give the forgetfulness. So for Krishna, there is no forgetfulness. Okay? Hare Krishna. Also, Krishna takes many births. Example, can you tell me some examples of Krishna's births? Rama is also Krishna. That's why when we say, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna and Rama are the same. It's given in so many places. It is said in Bhagavatam also. So Krishna and Rama are the same. Do anyone of you remember any verse where Krishna and Rama are the same? Rama only came as Krishna only came as Rama. Narsimha, Varaha, Kurma.
Keshavadrita Hari Rupa Jaya Jagadish.
Okay, Keshavadrita Narahari Rupa, correct. But one more verse in what is that? Brahma Samhita. Ramadimurshito kala niyamena tishtan nana avataram akarod bhuvaneshu kintu. So Krishna takes many avatars. How many avatars Krishna has taken till now? Hare Krishna. No answer. Yes, Prabhu.
So many plenary portion.
9 avatars.
Infinite. So many. We can't count. Yes, what is the analogy? Srila Prabhupada giving so many analogy. Like the waterfall falls from up and it diverts into innumerable rivulets, water bodies. Is it not? Streams. Similarly, the waves in the ocean keep on coming, keep on coming, keep on coming. So like that, his incarnations also plenty. In this verse, Srila Prabhupada has given another analogy, that is the Vaidurya stone. Vaidurya stone, when it gets a sun's reflection, so many colors it spreads. So many colors, is it not? And these, like that, Krishna is all effulgent. From him, so many colors come. That means 8,64,000 yonis. All Krishna only creates. How? Not directly, indirectly, through Brahma. Correct? So, and also through his external potency. Prakriti, nature, the Lord has created. The tree, the mountain, the river, the animals, the beasts, the birds. That is, apareyam mitaswanyam prakritim vidimem param. My energy has created this prakritim. Which energy? External energy.
Maya Dekshana Prakriti Suyate Sacharacharam.
Suyate Charcha Saracharam. Correct. Hetunaniva kaunteya jagat viparivartate. Okay. Hare Krishna. Yes, Prabhu.
We said Krishna has taken infinite avatar, right?
Yeah.
But as an avatari, it is only one.
Yeah, yes, that is what. Next time coming, that Ramadi Murtishu. Next line is that only. First is Ramadi Murchu. Rama Adi. Incarnations are Krishna. What is the third line? Krishna Swayam Samabhavatam Paramapumanyo. But Krishna, in his Krishna avatara, he came. He himself came. He did not expand. Avatar means what? To come down. Expansion. There is another verse. Vadanti that, not that. 1 second. Ete chamsha kalapum sam Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Ete cha amsha kalapum sam. Innumerable amsha, innumerable avatar he takes. But Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Why does he come? How does he come? Indrarir Vyakulam Loke Mridayanti Yuge. In every millennium, Indra Adi, Devargal, all the devas like Indra, when they are in trouble, I come. Correct? So Krishna says, I myself come every millennium after millennium, in order to protect the devatas. So next 2-3 verses we are going to see that only. When, what are the circumstances, occasions, when Krishna expands and when Krishna comes Swayam. So this Ramadimurtishu says, Krishna Swayam Samabhavata. Paramapumanyo. That is number one. And the other one, Yetecha Amshakalam Pumsa. So many amshas, so many expansions, so many births. Births in the sense, Krishna does not take birth like biologically, like we take birth. Not that. How does he takes birth? He is Aja. So the next verse tells about he is Aja. What is meant by Aja? Aja means unborn. Mataji, you are saying he is taking so many avatar and you are saying he is unborn. So next verse you take Ajopi Sannam Vyayatma Ish. One second, next it's just change. Yes. Ajopi sannam vyayatma bhutanam ishwaropi san prakritim swamatishtraya sambhavam atma mayaya. Two important qualities are given here in this verse. Underline ajo. Ajo means unborn. And atma avyaya. Avyaya means there is no destruction. Sanna vyaya avyaya atma. For this atma there is no destruction. Okay, so avyaya. There are so many verses in the 9th chapter. Mamajam avyayam. Mam, I am, I, ajaman avyayam. Mamaja avyayam. You might have heard so many Bhagavad Gita shlokas, right? Mamajam avyayam. Krishna says, I am ajam, unborn, avyayam, without any deterioration, and indestructible. Nobody can. We have seen that, what is that? Nainam chintanti shastrani, nainam dagati pavakaha. The part and parcel of Krishna, the soul, is not perished by what? Astra. Nainam chintanti shastrani. Nainam dagati pavakaha. Pavaka is air. Nachainam kleda yanta apo. Neither the water or the fire or the air can destroy. Why? Because its size is 1 by 10,000. 100 into 100. There is a verse also for this. Shatamsha. 100 into 100. So 1 by 100 into 100 is 10,000. Part of the tip of the soul. So nobody can destroy.
It is not made up of Panchabhutas.
Exactly. It is not made up
Eternal.
of. Yeah, that is true. So that for that also there is one verse. What is that? न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन दायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्याग शाश्वतो अयं पुराणो. Another verse. Ajo. Ajo. So I am unborn. Nityaha, I am eternal. Shashwato, I am permanent. I think it may be 2.22 somewhere near that. So Ajo Nityaga Shashwato Na Jayate Na Mriyate. I am not born, I am not dead. Mriyate. I don't die, I am not born. Okay? So Krishna, this all we have learnt already in the second chapter. But here why he is saying? He is saying because here in this, he takes birth, it is coming. Correct? Krishna's avatar, in the previous slide we saw, Krishna has taken birth. So Krishna does not take birth. He always exists. There is so, see, one who dies only will be born, no? What is that verse? 2.37, I think. 2.37, you see, one who is born, definitely they are sure to die. Similarly, one who dies, they are sure to be born. So, sorry, 2.27. 2.27. Jatasya hi dhruvam mrityur. Dhruvam janma mritasya cha. So one who is born, they will die. One who dies, they will be born. But for God, there is no death or no birth. So he is not born.
It is like sun.
Yeah, correct, exactly as Prabhu said. When the cloud hides the sun, do we say the sun has died or sun has vanished? No, sun is existing. The cloud has hidden the sun. So similarly, whenever the avyaya, klesho adhikata rashte sam, avyakta sakta chetasam. But sometimes he manifests, sometimes he is unmanifest.
Unmanifest.
See him, that's all. But he is eternally there. That is Aja. Ajopi sanna avyayatma. Okay? Ye bhutanam Ishwaropi san. So anyone, Hare Krishna next, Biju Prabhu only B. Although, translation Prabhu, 6th verse.
Hare Krishna. Translation by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Although I am unborn and my transcendental body never deteriorates, and although I am the Lord of all living entities, I still appear in every millennium in my original transcendental form.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
He
Krishna.
says, though, okay, what is transcendental body?
Chidananda.
Okay, no birth, no death. It's only appearance and disappearance.
Very good. Okay, correct. And also, a very important quality of a transcendental body is they are not subject to the senses. It's not necessary that one sense should perform only that function. Krishna can, if
Angani
he wants,
yasya
he can eat with
sakalendra.
his ears. He
Angani
can talk
yasya
with his
sakalendra
nose.
vrittiman.
Yes, Prabhu, go ahead. Angani yasya sakalendriya vrittimanti pashyanti panti.
कांति चिरं जगान्ति आनंद चिन्मय रसत उज्ज्वल
Vilavi Ujjvala Asya Govindamadi
Govindamadi
Purusham
Purusham Tamaham
Tamagam
Bhajami.
Bhajami. So that says Krishna's senses are beyond any inconceivable potency. We cannot think of this, anybody eating with their eyes, speaking with their nose. Can we? So it is his inconceivable potency. Okay? Hare Krishna. That is, what do you call that? Transcendental body. And still I appear every millennium in my original transcendental form. What is this? Still I appear. Though I don't have a perishable body, still I keep coming again and again. Why? Next verse will say. Okay, what is next verse? Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bharata abhyutanam
Abhijnana
adharmasya. So Krishna, yada yada hi dharmasya. Whenever he wants, wherever he wants, there is no time, there is no place. There is no deshe kale patre. No need for Krishna. Whenever he wants, he can come. But generally when he comes, when he expands, when the dharma, when the religion, when religion gets a dharma glanir, dharma glani. And another reason, abhyutanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyakam. So Hare Krishna, who is reading next? ABC.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji, read.
Whenever and wherever there is decline in religious principle, O descendant of Bharata, and a predominant rise of religion, at the time is descend myself.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna. So, Krishna knows whenever this irreligion, see, when the irreligion was, it was not irreligion in West Bengal, 500 years before, all the jnanis were there. All this, what do you call that? Devotional service. Nobody was into that Sachidananda worship. They all were into Jnana. They all were into Veda, Purana, Tarka, Vidarka, all those things. So what happened during that time? Advaita Acharya was, he could not see these fallen souls further getting deteriorated. He cried out very, very loudly for Krishna. So then, what happened that time? Krishna told him, yes, I will come. I will come, yes. And he came in the mood of Radharani, in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Whenever there was, it's like jnana, which jnana, transcendental knowledge was not there. All this jnanis and karmis, Jnanis are, what is their nature? Jnanis get into Samadhi and they worship the Paramatma. For him there is no form. So people were worshipping only the formless Brahman. So when they were worshipping the formless Brahman, Advaita Acharya cried out for that form and Krishna himself came. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is also none other than Krishna himself. He came. Okay. He came with his Sangopangada Pashrade. 5 people. Who are they?
Associates.
Nityananda Prabhu,
Sri
Advaita
Krishna
Acharya,
Chaitanya Prabhu,
Srivas
Nityananda,
Prabhu,
Sri Advaita,
Gadadhar
Gadadhara,
Prabhu.
Srivasa.
Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Bhakta Vrinda. His associates, who are the Advaita Acharya and first Nityananda Prabhu, Balram, Advaita Acharya, Shambhu Tattva, Shiva and
Vishnu
Vishnu
Tattva.
together. Then Gadadhar, who is Gadadhar? Pandit.
Radharani.
Radharani herself. And then
Srivas.
Shivas Acharya.
Srivas.
He is in the
Nara-
form of Narada. Yes. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Pancha Tattva, the Tattvas. That is, Balram is Guru Tattva, then Shambhu Tattva, then Radharani, then Ayagladini Shakti Tattva, and then Narada Bhakti Tattva. Narada is known for Bhakti Tattva. Agladini Gadadhar Pandit is Shakti Tattva. Okay, and who is that? Our Nityananda Prabhu is Guru Tattva, and Advaita
Advaita
Acharya is Shiva Tattva, Shambhu. Okay, Pancha Tattva. That is why we call them Pancha Tattvatmakam Krishnam Bhaktarupa Swarupakam Bhaktavataram.
Bhaktavataram Bhaktakyam Namami Bhakti Shaktikam.
Hari Bol Namami Bhakti Shaktikam. Okay, so he said Bhakti, Shakti, all comes in that, no? Namami Bhakti Shaktikam. So they all 5 people came in 5 different tattvas. So whenever there is a decline in the religion, yes, people cry out. You know, when that before the Mahabharat war, so much population with full adharma, like Kuru dynasty, all devatas went to Brahma. Oh Brahma, full that earth is overflowing with adharma. Then Brahma said, I can't do anything. We all will go to Vishnu. So they all went to Vishnu. Vishnu said, I am only the maintainer. I am not responsible for this annihilation. I can't do anything. So let us all go to Shiva. So because, lot of population full of adharma. Shiva said, no, I am only a representative of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Come, let us all go to him. So they all went to Krishna. What did Krishna say? When there is time, the right time has come, I will appear at the right time. And that is why he, full Yadu dynasty destroyed. Is it not? Krishna, he made that the Yadu dynasty people fought with each other and they destroyed their whole dynasty. So the Lord knows, He doesn't forget us. He always remembers us. And we may forget our this birth, father and mother, even in Kali Yuga. People forget in this Kali Yuga itself. What about next birth? Next birth, definitely we do not remember our previous birth, father and mother. That is natural. Lord has given the apoham. In this birth itself, people are forgetting their mother and father in the Kali Yuga. How many people are there like that? Correct? They don't take care of them, I mean to say. Okay, so Krishna does not forget us. He comes to not to annihilate this one and all, adharma or establish dharma. This and all for external reason for the worldly people who do not believe Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So for us, for people who believe him, that he is a Supreme Personality of Godhead, for what reason he is coming? To give pleasure to us, to give his association to us. Yashoda Maya, how much she enjoyed serving Krishna. Gopis in the Vraja, they did not know anything. They used to breathe in Krishna, breathe out Krishna. They did not know anything else. So for that, Krishna comes. Okay? So God cannot forget anybody. He remembers all of us. So to take us back to his Krishna Loka, those who are in Sattva Guna, to reclaim the fallen souls who are in Sattva Guna, who are in the mode of goodness. This is a purpose. Why the Lord comes? The Lord comes to reclaim the fallen souls who are in the mode of goodness. Okay, so Sattva Guna to Vishuddha Sattva. Sattva Guna is what? Anartha Nivarti has taken place. Shraddha Sadhu Sangha Bhajana Kriya Anartha Nivarti. So if we have come to Sattva Guna means Anarthas are not there in our heart is purified. After that the process is very easy. Once Anartha Nivarti takes place, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhava, Prema, that is easy. So Krishna comes to take those whose anarthas have been cleansed, whose heart is purified. Okay, that's why yesterday also Namanishra Prabhu told in the class, at least, not, okay, sorry. In the Bhakti Vaibhav class, our Sridhar Prabhu was saying, okay, he was saying that we have to somehow come to Sattva Guna. So 16 chapter, 17 chapter, 14 chapter, we will learn in detail. Yes, next reason, another reason. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashchaya dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya. This, what are the important words here? I think next slide has got the verse. Hare Krishna, Hare. No. Next it may come. I'm not sure. Okay. The Mayavada philosopher. Who is next to read Hare Krishna? The slide.
Hare Krishna.
Yes.
The
Prabhu read.
Mayavadi philosopher.
Shavananda Prabhu read.
The Mayavadi philosopher says that I am God. Now I am under illusion of Maya. I have forgotten myself that I am God. And by meditation I shall become God. This is all nonsense. Nobody. God cannot forget himself. Then he is not God.
People say no Mayavadis. Mayavadis what say? Aham, I am the God. What they think is God and we are the same. Because what they took is, there is the Brahman effulgence, the light, the material nature, what we see, that is God. That's what they are thinking. We say, no, sometime even I remember very well, before coming to Krishna consciousness and all, we used to say, there is something, a superior power which controls us. That superior power is God. This is what we used to say, right? Because, like the thunder, the rain, the heat, sun, everything is controlled by somebody. That somebody, the Shakti, the energy which controls everything, that is God, we used to think. That's why people used to merge with the Brahman effulgence. That's a light form of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. What is this Brahman effulgence? It is nothing but the effulgence of the Supreme Personality of Godhead's body. From his body, this effulgence comes. But the Mayavadis think that, even not Mayavadis, no. Mayavadis think there is no God at all. But the Brahmagyanis, they think that to merge with the Brahman is they think that is a liberation. That is
Brahma
ultimate.
Kumaras.
Many are there, Prabhu. Let us not discuss. It's going like anyone will catch. Okay. So that is why in Ishopanishad it is said, one who merges with the Brahman, they are committing spiritual suicide. Because in Brahman effulgence there is no service. There is no seva. There is no intimate exchange of love. Even the Paramatma, Jnanis realize, Paramatma realization, there is also no exchange of rasa. No, in Goloka, Bhagavan realization, only the rasa exchange takes place. We consider Krishna as 6 important. So many rasas are there. 12 rasas mainly said, but out of that, 5. What are those rasas which are said? We can worship Krishna in any of the 5 Mukhya rasa. What are they?
Dasya, Sakya, Vatsalya.
Shanta, it starts from Shanta. Shanta, Dasya, Sakya, Vatsalya, Madhurya, Haribol. This rasa exchange, we consider Krishna as, first Balram. Balram considered himself as a Shanta rasa. He is everything, paraphernalia of Krishna is Balram. His ornaments, his dress, the morpang what Krishna wears, everything is Balram. Without Balram's sanction, nothing can touch Krishna. Okay, then comes the Dasya, Hanuman, Sakya, Who is Arjuna here? Sakyarasa. Saka Cheti, yesterday only we saw. Krishna
Bhakto
tells, no,
si
you
mein
are my
Sakache.
friend.
He's my friend and my
Yeah, yesterday we saw three reasons. Saka Cheti and Anaga, sinless one. And one more we saw is Shishya. He accepted, Arjuna accepted Krishna as his guru. Okay, and also he is non-envious. Very, very important reason. Arjuna is non-envious. Krishna told yesterday, right? You are non-envious and you are my friend. That is why I am telling you this Bhagavad Gita. Prabhu, finish this translation also to deliver the pious and to annihilate.
To deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants, as well as to re-establish the principles of religion. I myself appear millennium after millennium.
So, pious are those people who perform Samsiddhir Haritoshanam, perform acts for Krishna. In fact, we can't say they are devotees, we can't say they are working only for Krishna, but they are working with the principles what Krishna has given.
Like
That is
demigods.
Vedas. Okay, fruitive activities only they do. They are not Nishkama Karmi. But at least they do what Krishna has told. We saw in the previous chapter, first is Sakama Karma with attachment. Then Akarma, only for Krishna's pleasure. Another one is impious activity, which are prohibited. At least these people don't do prohibited activities. Okay, so those who pious, Krishna comes in order to re-establish the religion and to annihilate the miscreants, to deliver. What is to deliver? To take back the pious. Okay, so here identify the points relevant for preaching from Bhagavad Gita, point 6, number 6 to 9. We'll finish the 9 also and we will come to this point. Okay, this is a verse to be by hearted. It's for in memorization. Janma karma cha me divyam. Divyam. Divyam means yesterday only everybody you were asking. Param. Param is divyam, transcendental. So divyam is also transcendental. My birth, my karma, everything is transcendental. Tektva degam punarjanmam naiti mam yeti so Arjuna. Oh Arjuna, once you leave this body, tektva degam punarjanmam naiti mam yeti, you will not come back. So this is a beautiful verse which says that once we go to Goloka, we are not going to come back. Who is going to read next? Hare Krishna. Prabhu read. Yes, yes. Whoever is there. Hare Krishna. There's some problem coming in my...
Mataji P. Prasannajit Prabhu Priyanka Mataji can
Okay, yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Prasanchita Prabhu.
Yes, Mataji. This is which the screen, Mataji?
Janma Karma Chame Divam, 9th, verse number 9th,
4.9.
translation.
Okay, Mataji. One who knows
Hare
translation
Krishna.
purport Srila Prabhupada ki jai. One who knows the transcendental nature of my appearance and activities does not, upon leaving the body, take his birth again in this material world, but attains my eternal abode, O Arjuna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Are you all able to hear me?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, my laptop is showing some application is not responding. So if it happens, my mobile is on and I have kept it in with the audio. So just notify me. Hare Krishna. Okay, points to remember, very important Sanskrit verses. This is what I was saying. These verses are, these words are very, very important. See, dharma. Dharma is what? Principles of religion. Sthapanaya, dharma samsthapanaya. That is
Mataji can't hear you. Are you on the mobile app? Someone in India, can you call Mataji? Because the last time when I called her, because it was an international number, she didn't answer. So can someone call and tell her, please?
I spoke to her. She's
Yes, Mataji.
yes, ma'am. So,
Are all of you able to hear me now?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay,
Yes,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna. Okay. My laptop audio has gone again today. At least you are able to see the screen.
Yes, Mataji.
Screen is.
I
don't
can't see
think.
the screen.
Yeah.
Now again gone. Now yes.
Okay, my laptop has gone. Now how will I share? Rohini Mataji, do you have? Can I? For sharing it also, I need my laptop. No.
Yeah, if you can send me on WhatsApp, then I can share, Mataji.
No, that.
Yeah,
No,
you need the
it will
laptop.
be a problem. It will be a problem. No, Mataji. I
Yes.
cannot. Okay, we will start. We will read the verse and this thing. Okay. Yeah. Janma karma cha me divyam evam yo veti tatvataka is a very, very important verse because it tells that once anyone reaches the Lord's abode are not going to come back. Okay. Hare Krishna. What happened to my laptop? I don't know. Yes, where next verse? Hare Krishna. Vitaraga Bayakroda Manmaya Mam Upashitaha Bhagavo Jnana Tapasa Puta Madbhavam Agataha. Hare Krishna. Who is reading the translation?
Priyanka Mataji, are you available?
Yes, Mataji, I am reading. Being freed from attachment, fear, and anger, being fully absorbed in me and taking refuge in me, many persons in the past became purified by knowledge of me, and thus they all attained transcendental love for me.
Hare Krishna. See, extremely important. When can we understand Krishna? All of you, if you want, no doubt. We all are either in Raga, Bhaya, Krodha. That is, generally, you know what happens? We keep lamenting about the past. And in the present, Kama. That is lust. Our present life is full of lust. Lust is never satiated, we saw yesterday. And about the future, we have Bhaya. That is why Srila Prabhupada says, you know, the more and more you accumulate, now the more you earn, how to save this money. And especially in this Kali Yuga, though we say in Kali Yuga, that religion is standing on only one leg, which is Satyam. But nobody is truthful. Nobody is faithful, is it not? So here, Vita means to get freed. Free from what? Raga, Bhaya, Krodha. So Raga is attachment, lust, desire, attachment actually. Bhaya, we know, fear. Krodha, anger. A person who is freed from all these things only can take shelter to Krishna. Because otherwise, what will happen? We keep on desiring. Then what is next? We keep on getting afraid of our future. Or we keep on lamenting about the past. So a person who is free from all these things definitely will surrender to me. And once he surrendered to me, and see, out of 1,000, 1 by 1,000 multiply 1,000. Manushyanam Sahasreshu, 7th chapter says, Manushyanam Sahasreshu Kaschit Etati Siddhaye. Etataamapi
Api
Siddha.
siddha.
Kaschin
Mam veti tattva.
Hari bol. Kachtim mam veti tattvataha. Again the tattva came. Tattva is absolute truth. Veti, one who knows. Ved is to know. Okay? So that is why Veda. Everyone should know. That is why it is Veda. Okay, so one who knows my transcendental position. Who are they? 1 in 10,000. 1 by 1,000 into 1,000. Manushyanam sahasreshu. We will not be able to. Why? Because we all are in the Maya. 4 defects. You all know what are the 4 defects, correct? We all are in illusion and imperfect senses. So we commit mistake. Since we commit
Tendency
mistake,
to cheat.
Hari bol. Since we commit mistake, we cheat others. Is it not? So these 4 defects, every living being is subject to. That is why it is very difficult for us to surrender. One who overcomes all these defects, When can they overcome? That's a process. That's what we are learning now. Come into jnana. Which jnana? Transcendental jnana. What is transcendental jnana? Perform only devotional service, akarma. That is the knowledge. Okay? This again, for all the verses are wonderful verses. This is, see, for preaching purpose, if you by heart this verse, you can use it in many places, reference, as a reference. Etam prapatyante tan sataiva bhajamyaham mama vartman vartante manushya partha sarvashakha. Hare Krishna translation. That's all.
Ravananda Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu.
प्रपद्यन्ते तां तथैव भजाम्यहं मम वर्तमानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्या पार्थ सर्वशः. Translation and purport given by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. As all surrender unto me, I reward them accordingly. Everyone follows my path in all respects, O son of Radha.
Hare Krishna. People ask, oh, you worship Krishna, still you are having so many problems. Still, and we also sometimes think, Krishna, I sincerely worship you and you give me all the problems. So that means what? Somewhere or the other, okay, according to Kunti says, more problem is, Krishna is there with us, more dear to, he becomes more dear to us. He's within our proximity. Okay, this is what she says. What is it? Proximity verse? I forgot. 1 second. It's a beautiful verse. Before that. So Krishna tells, as all surrender unto me, I reward. How much we endeavor, that much he will reward us. No. Yashodamaya, since morning to evening, without any break, at that age, and she was endeavoring to tie Krishna. Krishna got bound. So similarly, when people say, you tell them this, how much you endeavor to please Krishna, that much he will reward you. He is not partial. Samogam sarva bhuteshu. He tells he is equal to everybody. Na me dvesha na asti priyaha. There is nobody who is enmity he has, or he is a friend to them. So, etamam prapatyante. How much ever we surrender, how much ever we endeavor, how much faith we have in him, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu, accordingly he will reciprocate. No, you don't even trust him, you don't even surrender to him, you don't even think that Krishna has given the problem, he will solve it. You think, I am there, I will solve it. So he will say, okay, you have all the potency. You say, no, you only solve. Why do you need me? Like that he will say. So we have to surrender. Oh Krishna, you are the one, you gave this, you only solve it. You know what is best for me. I don't even know what is good for me. But you know the best. Take care of me. That's it. No, you need to tell also. He knows. He wants to take care of every one of us. It is only because of our ignorance and the four defects we come nearer to Maya. That is, I see, we are in the Tadastha Shakti, marginal Shakti, correct? This side Krishna is there, this side Maya is there. So the more you go towards Maya, you become away, you become very far from Krishna. The more you go towards Krishna, you you come very far away from Maya. That's all. Where do you want to go? That endeavor is yours. That's what Yetamam Prapatyante. Okay, so your theatre looks very attractive to you. You go to theatre, you will come into the catch of Maya. Temple, Krishna temple looks beautiful for you. That attracts you. You go there. Maya will not touch you. That's it. So that endeavor is in our hand. Okay, Hare Krishna. Nice, but every verse when we read one after the other, so beautiful it is. Kankshanta karma nam siddhim yajantaiga devataga क्षिप्रम हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा. हरे कृष्ण.
Sanju Mataji.
हरि बोल.
Sanju Mataji or Shruti Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna. Translation
Men in
given by Srila Prabhupada. Men in this world desire success in positive activities and therefore they worship the demigods. Quickly, of course, men get results from positive work in this world.
Hare Krishna. Kankshanta, akanksha. We say no akanksha. So kanksha means desire. So one who has a lot of desire for fruitive activity. What is meant by fruitive activity? Karmanam. Karmanam means fruitive activity. Karma means action, we know. So fruitive activity means one who is attached to the results of the work.
Result.
So result, yes. So as we have so many desires for the results of the karma, what we are performing, what happens? We go to devatas because Krishna takes lot of time to sanction our desire. So most of the time he will not sanction desire at all. Why? It may not be good for us, as I told now. But instead, what we don't ask him, that may be best, he will give that. Then we'll say, oh Krishna, it says, no, there's a proverb in English. If God gives you a lemon, make a lemonade. Don't cry why I didn't get apple. Don't cry why I didn't get mango. Is it not? If God gives a lemon, make use of it. That's what. So if the Lord has given you this birth, which birth? Yoni. Which is Yoni? Manushya Janma. Make the best use of it. Why do you keep on desiring? See, desiring the material things is like a thief, because everything belongs to the Lord. Nothing belongs to us. Taking from others' property is known as a thief, no? So we all are thief. That is why we all are handcuffs in this material world. Material world is compared to a prison. We all are. So if I ask, do you want a silver hand club, or you want a gold hand club, or iron hand club? What will you say? Silver, iron,
Don't
according to
want
your
any
wish.
cup.
Hari wo, yes. That is what we have to say. That is, Tamoguni people will get iron club, and Rajoguni people will get what is that, silver, and Satoguni people will get
Gold.
gold. But that is also Klefna, we are bound. So we have to come beyond the even Sattva Guna, Vishuddha Sattva, Vasudeva Sattva, pure Sattva. Okay, all are same. So we have to come to that level. So whole life is the process of transcending our life from Tamoguna to Rajoguna, Rajoguna to Sattvaguna, Sattvaguna to Vishuddha Sattva. Why do we have to do? Very simple. Finally, we have to reach his abode. So if Krishna wants to take us to his home, he will prepare us here, na? Without preparing, if he takes, what will happen? We will not be able to enjoy that rasa. So he is preparing. If you have to go to Europe countries in the winter, 40 degree, you will prepare yourself. So many jackets you will buy, and you will stitch, and the boots, shoe boots, etc. Everything you will take and go. So Krishna also wants to prepare us and take. That is why we say, no, why this? Just now as I told, why Krishna tests me? He tests you because the more he tests, what happens, as Kunti says, the more kare utarte hain, we say in Hindi. We become perfect. Any kind of klesha comes, Adhyatmik, Adibhautik, Adi, Daivik. Through these kleshas, he prepares us. Okay? Hare Krishna. This verse is again, maybe in memorization. Chaturvarnyam maya srishtam gunakarma vibhagashaka tasya kartaram apimam vidya kartaram avyayam. Again here avyayam came. Avyayam means unchangeable. Hare Krishna. Translation.
Shruti Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, I'll do Mataji. Translation given by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. According to the three modes of material nature and the work associated with them, the four divisions of human society are created by me. And although I am the creator of this system, you should know that I am yet the non-doer, being unchangeable. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. He is the non-doer. He does not have to perform anything. As I told yesterday, even to give a particular yoni according to our karma. We saw that Karmana Daivanetrena yesterday, you remember? To give a particular body also, he has to tell Maya Devi. She arranges. Because that is material nature. Body is made up of 24 elements in the material nature. He doesn't have to open his mouth and tell. He does not even have to glance at Maya Devi. They have the understanding. So Krishna thinks this jiva this soul will get this body. Maya Devi understands and she gives accordingly. Okay. So now three gunas decides our body, which body we take. Chaturvarnyam maya srishtam guna karma. That is what is that? Brahmana. We call Brahmana, no? They are not by birth. Brahman iti janati Brahmana. One who knows the Brahman. What is it, Brahman once again? Atma, I am not this body, I am the soul. The first realization, self-realization, Brahman realization, understanding the
Aham
effulgence of
Brahmasmi.
Aham Brahmasmi, understanding the effulgence of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Brahman. He is not Brahman. Supreme Personality of God gets effulgence is Brahman. Okay? Hare Krishna. That is what? Four guna. Where Brahmana is generally in Sattva guna. According to Krishna, Chaturvarnyam. He created four varnas. Then second comes the, what is that? First is Sattva guna, Brahman. Rajoguna, Kshatriya, protection. Third is a combination of both Rajo and Tamo, because production, that agricultural group, Krishi, Goraksham, Vanijyam, this class, they are in between Tamoguna and Rajoguna, because their nature is to work. They have to produce grains, they have to bring it to the market, transport, communication, agriculture, everything is their work. So they are in Rajoguna. But in that process of business, what they may do, they may have to tell many lies. So they come in the category of Tamoguna also. Okay? And Tatsya Kartaram Apimam. So Krishna says, although I am the creator, I do not perform any activity in these three modes of guna. What are the verses? 9th chapter 1 verse says, Maya dakshena prakriti suyate sacharacharam.
Suyate Sachara.
हेतुनानेव कौन्तेय जगत् विपरिवर्तते but I am not the doer. I make everybody dance to my tune, that's it, but I don't do any work. Another one verse, yesterday only I think I said 7.25, Nagam prakasha sarvasya yoga maya samavritah moodoyam nabhijanati. These mooda people na abhijanati, they don't know me. Naham Prakasha Sarvasya. What you are calling that Prakasha, Brahman, correct? That is my effulgence. Who doesn't know? Moodoyam na abhijanati. These Muda people don't know. There is another verse we saw. What is it? Avajananti ma Muda, Manushim tanam ashritam. Avajananti ma Muda. They don't try to understand me at all. Who are the people who don't approach Krishna, Hare Krishna? This category only. Muda I already told.
Tamam duskritana mooda prapadyante naradama maya pratඥana asuram bhavamashraye.
Hari namam dushkritino mooda prapatyante naradama asuram bhavam ashrita. Then Ashram Bhavam, no, Namam Dushkritini Muda, Prapatyante Naradama, Asuram Bhavam Ashritaha, and that, who is that? Those who are, illusioned by Maya. Correct? Maya Apakrita. These were people do not approach Krishna at all. Okay? Hare Krishna. Next 15th. Evam nyatva kritam karma purvairapi mumukshubhigi guru karmaiva tasmatvam purvai purvataram kritam. Hare Krishna.
Vamshidhar Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu.
15.
All the liberated soul.
15.
Yes, Prabhu.
There is no work that affect me, nor do I aspire for the fruits of action. One who understands this truth about me also does not become entangled in the fruitive reaction of work.
Hare Krishna. Prabhu read now 14th. Actually 14th I should have read. Correct, Prabhu. Thank you for that. Namam karmani.
Yeah, that is I am also thinking, Mataji.
No, correct, Prabhu. You read very correctly. It was my mistake. Namam karmani limpanti. Name karma pale spritaha. So these karmas will not come and affect me. I am untouched. Correct? I am not touched by the fruits of the action. We say no, what is that? Padmapatram ivambasam. Like the water droplets on the Padmapatram, on the lotus leaf. That, and when the moment the lotus leaf come out of the water, you can't see any trace of water on the leaf. So similarly also Krishna here is not affected, but he looks as if he is also a normal human being. Kamsa thinks he is a normal human being. Correct? Ramana thought Ram is also a normal being. I can abduct Sita, like that he thought. Okay? So these people are Avajananti Mamuda people. Okay? Hare Krishna. So this one second. Where is this? Which verse? One verse I wanted to tell one analogy, very important. And that is in the previous verse. Previous verse, that is 13th chapter, Chaturvarnya Maya Srisham. In that, from the end, you go 3, 10, 10, 12, 13 lines up. You see? A person in Krishna consciousness, however, is above even Brahmanas. Above Brahmanas. So who is above Brahmana?
Vaishnavas.
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 In between there is one category. I explained many a time.
Dvija. And Vipra Mataji.
Vipra, Haribol, correct. So Brahmanas, they know the Vedas, and Vipras, in-depth study of Vedas they do. So that means what? Better than Brahmana. Brahmanas what? They learn. What is that? Patanam. They learn something and they come and preach immediately. Correct? Today morning class only, I think I am not able to attend morning class because of the work. But here and there I hear, our Namnisha Prabhu was telling, today morning about this. Who remembers that? Hare Krishna. One who, it does not affect us. Hare Krishna. Acha, nobody attends here in this class?
Mataji?
Do you attend in the morning Bhagavatam class?
One who is self-situated like Sthita Pragya, he does not affect any situation from outside. But I have not attended today morning session.
Okay, not that. He was telling, you see, we have to, the whole life, we have to struggle very hard to transcend from one level to another level. That's it. Isn't it? That means what? Even if a person is born in Tamoguna, he can come up to Vaishnava level. Correct? So Vipra is in-depth study of Veda knowledge. Then comes Vaishnava. These Vaishnavas are Uttamadhikari. They are like Uttamadhikari. For them, everybody is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Yes. So Brahmanas are also known as Dvija. When they take the initiation, they become twice born. Till then, even if they are Brahmaniti Janati Brahmana, then they come under the shelter of spiritual master. That is Dvija. But Vipra are the ones, those who, what do you call that? There is one proverb, they have गोल के पी लिया उन्होंने. What do you call? Full Vedas. They know each and every aspect of Veda. And they are the Paramajnani. Like that they think themselves. Okay. Above them comes the Vaishnavas. Okay. Hare Krishna. Who is left? Anyone left to read? Who is Navya Mataji? Hare Krishna Mataji. Navya Mataji? Who is this? First time I'm seeing the name. Yes, Rohini Mataji, 15th translation.
Translation by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. There is no work that affects me, nor do I aspire for the fruits of action. One who understands this truth about me also does not become entangled in the fruitive reactions of work. Hare Krishna.
15th also, you read 15th translation also, Mataji. Next one.
एवं ज्ञात्वा कृतं कर्म पूर्वैरपि मुमुक्षुभिः कुरु कर्मैव तस्मात् त्वं पूर्वे पूर्वतरं कृतं All the liberated souls in ancient times acted with this understanding of my transcendental nature. Therefore, you should perform your duty following in their footsteps. Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, all the liberated soul. See, living in this world, we can become a liberated soul, you know. That means what? We have no attachment whatsoever in this material world. That is liberated soul. So Krishna tells Arjuna, Arjuna, you become a liberated soul. Mataji, how Mataji? After that, how will he fight Mataji? No. Living in this world, we can become a liberated soul. So what is the basic things for to become a liberated soul? Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. No existence of our own individual personal identity. Everything is Krishna. We, there are so many like Avadutas. There are Avadutas. They only know Krishna. Like Paramahamsa, the fourth. Sannyasis are of fourth type. I have already told you. Anybody remembers? Kutichaka, Bahudaka, Parivrajakaacharya. Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, I only remember Parivarjakar because ISKCON
Okay,
sannyasi is coming, that's so.
Last is
okay.
Babaji.
Kutichaka sannyasi, no, they don't live in the house. They live separately, but their prasadam, everything goes from home.
Kutichaka.
So that means people can go and meet him. Then Bahudaka, the food, prasadam will not go. They will also live separately, but they go for Madhukari and they take. Parivrajakaacharya, they don't live in one place. They keep on roaming around like our Srila Prabhupada. In 12 years, 1964 to 66. What is it? Yeah, he went to abroad. 66 to 78. In the 12 years, he roamed around the world 14 times. Okay, so Parivrajakaacharya. They don't stay in one place. Why? Because their duty is to spread Krishna consciousness. Now also so many Maharajas are there. They all are preaching in the remote area of South African countries, etc. They, because they are liberated soul. They are our His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj. You see, he is not in his bodily concept at all. Just 4 days before from Chennai, he had gone to Mumbai. Keep roaming around in this condition also, because he subject there. Because yesterday only Prabhuji said, na, in Mumbai there is one initiation ceremony is going to take place. So that time they become Dvija. The second in Nama, when the name is given, that's in second birth. The first birth is from the Brahmana Kula. Or we say even Mataji, what happened, Vaishya Shudra. So when the threading ceremony takes place, we call it as the first birth of the Brahmana. And when the Guru gives Ashraya, that time we say second, the birth of a Brahmana. That's why we say as Dvija, 2 times born, twice born. Okay, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, today's, I don't know whether the recording has taken place or not. Okay. I think my laptop has got lot of stuff. That is the reason. I'll clean it. Hare Krishna. Prabhuji's and Mataji's. Any doubt? No? No doubt at all. Hare Krishna. So, what is the jnana we learned? Krishna is unborn. Krishna is avyaya. Krishna is, one more we saw. What is that? He is indestructible.
Aloof from material contamination.
Okay. Those 3 words what you saw in the slide.
And who surrendered according to him? According to me, he deliver the deliver.
How much ever one endeavors, how much ever one surrenders, accordingly he reciprocates. Yes. And
he
another
will come
important
when is Pavitranayam Sadhuna Vinashaya Chadruskritam. Oh, when he will come means adharma, then he will definitely come and he
Avyaya.
establish
Another
the
word is
dharma.
avyaya, Prabhu. Without any deterioration. Aja,
Or
avyaya.
Divyam.
Divyam, Param,
Divyam,
yes, that is
transcendental.
transcendental. Yes. Then Krishna, we should know, devotees should know that though Krishna comes millennium after millennium, he does not, we can say he comes to reclaim the fallen souls who are in Satoguna.
Yada yada hi
And
dharma.
extremely important verse, Janma Karma Chame Divyam. As Mataji said now, transcendental. His birth and his karma, actions, everything is Divyam. And one who knows this, they will Mataji attendance link.
Mataji,
Mm.
so 4 sannyasis said Kutichaka, Bahudaka, Parivachaka, and
Paramahamsa.
Paramahamsa is what? How is it defined?
Paramahamsa, even above Parivrajaka they can't even roam around. They know only, like I said, what is that? Avanti Brahmana, Avaduta, that kind. They are not in their bodily concept at all. They don't know what is happening. Means it is like Mahajan. You might have heard Mahajan, 12 Mahajan. Narada, Brahma, Prahalada, Manu,
Shiva.
so
Rishabhadeva and
like that,
Rishabhadeva.
yes, these Paramahamsas are only thinking always about Krishna. See, for Parivrjakacharya also, to preach, they have to come little bit up to the lower level. Because the Paramahamsas think everybody is the same. What will I preach? He also knows like me only. Because in his body also same Paramatma is there. He is also the part and parcel of the same Supreme Personality of Godhead. Like that he thinks. Who?
Paramahamsa.
Who? Paramahamsas. So that is why they have to come to next below level to preach them. That Parivrajakacharyas do. Okay? Hare Krishna. Okay, Prabhu?
Mataji, Hare Krishna. Guru Maharaj
Yes.
actually, Guru Maharaj says that every of my Grahastha disciples should become Paramahamsas like that.
Yes, Hari Bol. But actually, he tells everybody has to become a. Now my, I think, laptop became all right. Yes. Oh, Krishna. It became all right on its own. Hare Krishna. Krishna wanted that. What can I do? On its own, I didn't do anything. Now the screen is moving.
It is ready for
Okay.
your next class, Mataji.
Yeah. Yeah. Bhakti Vaibhav. Hare Krishna. Actually, Guru Maharaj says, everyone first you become a preacher. Guru. He conducts a program known as Guru Agnya program. In that he wants everyone to become a guru. Guru means it does not mean that we have to become like, we know everything we have to learn. We have to become Bhakti Vaibhav, Sarvabhauma, all those things. No. Yare deke tare kaho Krishna Upadesh. Just give Krishna Upadesh to everybody. You are a guru. Means you are bringing another person into Krishna consciousness. That means the disciple you have made. Okay, then he says, yeah, from Guru, you all have come up to Paramahamsa level. This is what his wishes. Correct. Prabhuji rightly said. Hare Krishna. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यः च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः अनंतकोटि वैष्णव की जय शिला प्रभुपाद की जय श्रीमद् भगवद गीता की जय all glories to assembled devotees Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna.
all glories to assembled devotees
Hare
Hare Krishna
Krishna.
all glories to Guru and Gauranga Hari Hari Bol Hare
Hari Bol,
Krishna
Hare.
thank you so much devotees today I think decent number attended we reached 14 or 15 I think today okay so attendance is a must my dear devotees Hare Krishna. Okay. Can I end the meeting? Prabhuji is still traveling and you were answering. Hari Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. Hari Bol. Hari Bol.